Morning, Coach.
Good morning, Miss Blogger.
Mag-hi ka, Coach.
Hi, good morning.
Alexa, play This Is Dua Lipa playlist.
This is Dua Lipa from Spotify.
Billboard, baby.
It is now 7:26 a.m. and I have 4 minutes to get ready for work. Alexa, what's my schedule for today?
Aaron, today.
Today is a little packed, so I have to hurry. I have a few meetings today, so I'm putting on a little bit of makeup just in case I have to turn my webcam on. My schedule is like this every Tuesday and Thursday. So every Tuesday and Thursday morning, I have to get ready really fast because I don't have much time in between my morning activities. I don't normally eat breakfast though because I don't normally get hungry until around 10:30. So sometimes I have a little something to eat at 10:30 and then have lunch at 12. That's all the makeup I'm doing. I don't do much if I don't go out and if it's not a podcast recording day because people are only going to see me through a blurry video cam, so it's good, it's fine. I don't normally wear watches anymore because I don't go out, but I'm wearing one today because I have to use my phone for video recording. So I need something else to tell the time. My watch is actually from a business of a good friend of mine. It's at Nara Watches. Oh, and I have a discount code if you want to use it. Okay. So it is now 7:30, so I have to clock in at work. But oh, by the way, does my background look familiar? Yeah, it's my forever background for all of my Zoom calls, podcast recording sessions, everything. So anyway, I guess I'll see you at lunchtime. Hi, it is now 12:20 p.m. So actually my webinar ended a bit later than expected, but at least now I get to go have lunch. My parents' house and my sister's house are actually right beside each other. I have to cross over every lunchtime because we share meals. Look, Alia girl. Hi. Kana angry man. Smile. Smile.
Angry.
Cha-cha.
Angry.
Shock. Surprise. What are you doing?
Follow the banana.
What color is the banana?
Yellow.
Yellow! Nagkita lunch la ba?
Yes.
Yes? Why? Di ba you wait for Didi?
No.
What's for lunch? Jajangmyeon. Yums. It's the end of lunchtime. Now it's plant time. Dying! No! This is the plant I repotted before on my IG stories, my IGTV. So is this one. Looks healthy. This wandering Jew just keeps growing. I think I should prune it. I'm finally off work! I think it's a little early for dinner, so I might take a quick shower because it's hot here. I take 2 showers a day. Hello. Does the scene look familiar? Okay. Skincare. Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 6:05 p.m. Hope you've had a good Thursday.
It was a long Thursday. I apologize if I'm not talking so much in this vlog because I'm still trying to get used to it. And I haven't been showing a lot of my family because I don't know how comfortable they are yet with all of this. I'm actually really excited to see what the rest have in store for their day in the life, because I've never lived with them and we don't really travel together either. So like, I don't know. Are we even friends? This reminds me of our episode 11 when they kept saying that I was so ready to leave the friendship. I'm not. It's okay. I'm not. I'm not leaving this friendship. On Thursdays, I actually cram for the podcast because I edit the podcast audio for like Spotify, Apple Podcasts, Google Podcasts, all that. But otherwise, normally I take a shower after dinner. That was my skincare routine. Let us know if you want to know our skincare routines. Marga researched like intense for her skincare routine. I'm really keen on listening to what she has to say too about my skincare routine. Because I know it's far from perfect. Got a pimple. That's life. Auntie not calling for dinner yet, so I guess I have time to put away my clothes. It's a long Thursday indeed. This is good. I'm such a vlog noob. Oh, shout out to my best friend Nicole for this shirt. She didn't really give it to me. I kind of just claimed it when we were living together. But thanks, Nicole. I love it. It's my favorite t-shirt. Didi has something for you. You wanna see? What's that? Stickers. Oh yeah. Do you know who that's from? It's from Uncle Yam.
Uncle Yam.
You say thank you, Uncle Yam.
Thank you, Uncle Yam. Did you do a new toys?
Yeah, you like your new toy?
This one is a new toy. Did you please get
Okay. Here, oh.
another Didi?
Here.
Wow, star.
Oh, you're gonna give Didi a wow star? Thank you! I like it. I like the star that you gave.
Yeah, deep star.
You're gonna give us another star? Sige daw.
You give a dummy star.
Dami-dami star.
You want dummy?
Yeah, Didi want dami. What color na pod na star, di ba ko, Didi?
Orange.
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 Orange. Wow! Give Didi another wow star.
Didi, you like it?
Yeah, I like it. Thanks.
You get puff.
Okay.
Wait.
Wow. Dami-dami leftovers. Yum. Huh? Really? Time to cram.
finally. It's finally time for bed. I hope you liked my day in my life. Please like, subscribe, all of that. Oh, and listen to our podcast. I promise it's a lot of fun. Good night.